So you are a warrior in God's kingdom. You are a general in his kingdom. He's calling you forth. See, you have been behind the scenes way too long. You have been just, how do I say this? You've been coasting through life, flowing through life. But God is wanting you to take your rightful place, take your position, and understand the authority and know who you are. My God. Because only if you knew who you are, the things that you would not allow, the disrespect that you would not allow people to do, the boundaries that you will have. My God.